In uncertain times, preparation is key. From natural disasters to global crises, being prepared can significantly impact your survival. Today, we'll guide you through crucial steps to prepare for any situation. Fire is not just about warmth. It's a survival cornerstone. Learn various fire-starting methods, from basic matches and lighters to more advanced techniques like flint and steel or the bow drill method. Each method has its advantages, so it's crucial to practice them regularly. Shelter protects you from the elements and can be a game changer in emergencies. Consider both urban and wilderness environments when planning. For example, in urban settings, identify potential safe zones like basements or high ground areas. In the wild, practice building shelters with natural materials like debris huts or snow caves for colder climates. Water is vital, but access may not always be straightforward. Beyond filtration and purification tablets, learn methods like solar distillation and how to collect morning dew. Understand how to locate water underground or in arid environments by following animal tracks or identifying specific plants. Long-term survival requires food security, while stocking up on non-perishables is crucial. Consider learning sustainable practices like gardening, preserving food through canning, and building food caches. Explore basic trapping, fishing, and foraging techniques, emphasizing the importance of identifying edible versus toxic plants. A first aid kit should go beyond the basics. Include splints, tourniquets, and antibiotics if possible. Consider taking a first responder course to understand how to treat severe injuries. Also, have a plan for managing chronic conditions like asthma or diabetes during emergencies. Navigating during a crisis involves more than just maps and compasses. Practice using natural navigation techniques, such as understanding moss growth patterns and star navigation. Develop a sense of situational awareness. Know your environment, identify potential threats, and always have an exit strategy. Reliable communication is critical. Create a network of trusted contacts and establish check-in protocols. Learn how to use ham radios and the importance of having backup power sources, like hand crank generators or solar chargers, to maintain communication lines. The P.A.C.E, primary, alternate, contingency, emergency, method is invaluable in ensuring readiness. Apply this framework to all aspects of your preparedness plan, from communications and navigation to shelter and water sourcing, ensuring you have multiple backups in place. Survival isn't just physical, it's mental. Build mental resilience through stress management techniques like meditation or breathing exercises. Regularly practice emergency scenarios to build muscle memory, so your response becomes second nature. Survival is often a community effort. Connect with local groups focused on preparedness and share skills. Host workshops on basic survival skills like knot tying, fire starting, and first aid. Building a community of like-minded individuals enhances your survival chances. Preparedness is a continuous process, not a one-time event. By adopting these strategies, you're taking a proactive step towards safeguarding yourself and your loved ones. Remember, the best time to prepare is now. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and stay safe.